Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will see how to connect GNS3 router to internet. So I have already opened the GNS3. I'll just maximize my screen. So I'll open the GNS3, create a new project, and I will name it as connecting GNS3 to internet. Once I'm done with the project creation, I will add a router into the topology. In addition to that, I will add a cloud as well. I'll be selecting desktop local server as the server. Close this section. I'll just align both the things. Once I'm done with that, I'll connect them through a fast Ethernet cable. Before that, the first thing which we had to do is like we want to select which interface we want to get internet from. So there are multiple options available with you. One thing is to use the NAT interface because NAT will provide you connection to the outside environment. Most probably your internet will be available through that. Second option is to directly connect to your bridge interface. So you can directly connect to the DHCP server of your LAN network and thereby to a modem, and thereby you can reach the internet. So I will just double check like which interface is configured in the cloud. Just right click, click configure. You can see that my LAN interface is selected. If Wi-Fi is there, your Wi-Fi will be listed as well. So I'll just close this one. I'll click on the connector tool, click on router 1, select fast Ethernet 0/0. On cloud one side, I will click on Ethernet. So I'll just power up the router. Okay, I'll just double click on the router. You can see that my secure CRT terminal open right now and the router is booting. Okay, we will rename this router to say internet router, host name, internet hyphen router. Do right to write the configuration to save the configuration. So the next step which we want to do is to get an IP address. So we have configured internet fast Ethernet 0/0. We will make the description as connection to internet, and IP address we are getting via DHCP. So we are typing IP address DHCP, no shutdown. Then exit, do right to save the configuration. Then we will see like what is the IP address that is assigned. To show IP in brief. You can see that no IP address is assigned as of now. We'll double check. You can see that the IP address 1.100 is assigned now. We will check the routing table. You can see that default route is pointed towards 192.168.1.1. This is my gateway. But let's see like whether we are able to ping a website or not. We are trying to ping google.com. You can see that unrecognized host or address or protocol not running error is coming. So we will enable this because domain lookup is not enabled. So we will enable IP domain hyphen lookup, do right again. We'll try to ping google.co.in or google.com. So right now you can see that the ping returned with a result like we sent around 5 packets and all the 5 packets came back. So right now we have seen how to configure it via DHCP. Suppose that we are having say static IP address. So we will see our current configuration. And instead of DHCP, I'm planning to use static IP address. So I'll go to interface for the first is not 0/0 IP address 192.168.1.49 255 255 255.0. We have to wait for a few moments. Okay. See, you can see one error telling the name server entity 192.168.1.1 does not exist. So if you are configuring an interface IP address via DHCP, you will be having a automatic default route towards your gateway plus one name server will be assigned. All those things will be there. But if you are doing a static configuration or a manual configuration of your IP address, in that case, what you have to do is you have to manually assign the name server, manually create the default route, all those things. Suppose if we are saving the configuration and trying to ping 8.8.8, which is the Google DNS server, you can see that the packets are not going. This is because there is no route towards the destination. Only connected route is there in the routing table. I'll show you guys how to see that. If I'm checking my routing table, you can see that only my local route and the connected routes are there. So what exactly we need if you want to go outside? We need if you want to go outside, say we are not aware like okay, what is the destination IP? In that case, we can create a default route, IP route 00 sorry 000 000, and we will give the gateway as 192.168.1.1, and we will put the description or name as internet route, internet default route. Okay, so you have to put it together. Sorry. Okay. Now let's see whether we are able to ping the IP address. We can see that we are able to ping the destination IP address. Let's try pinging it through the name. So we are able to ping that as well. So I hope you guys were able to properly understand how we can configure internet on GNS3, and this video was really informative for you guys. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest uploads.